Today, Joe and I are going to show you a few things about galvanized water pipe. This is what brand new galvanized water pipe looks like on the outside and on the inside. This is what galvanized water pipe looks like that has been in someone's water system. It looks pretty good on the outside, but on the inside, it looks terrible, disgusting. Over time, the interior walls of the water pipe of the used to galvanize gets really thin. So it makes it really hard to repair. As you can see on this piece, see how many of the threads have been broken off in the fitting? So we highly recommend do not repair your galvanized pipe. We recommend replacing your galvanized pipe. But in an emergency and you need to repair, we're going to have some tips on how to do that. In case of emergency and you really need to repair your galvanized water pipe, you can use a galvanized dresser coupling. I'm going to leave a link to those below. So we're going to pretend that this is a pinhole in your water pipe, or the electrician has cut a little slit in your water pipe. So we've gone ahead and put the nut, the metal washer, and the beveled washer on. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take, and what we like about these is you can slide them all the way to wherever you need to be. So I'm going to put this on here. We're going to tighten that down. You're going to finish tightening this with channel locks. And then on this end, you want to make sure the beveled part is going towards the actual dresser coupling. Make sure your metal washer's in there. You're going to get that started good. And you're going to go ahead and finish tightening both these nuts with channel locks. The dresser couplings are great if you can get the water pipe cut apart. But if you have a continuous piece of pipe that has a hole in it, these clamps are a great product. I'm going to leave a link for those below. In case you can't slide it over, you can actually clamp it onto the pipe. So I have loosened the nuts up as pretty much as far as they can go, and you're just going to squeeze this clamp, and then you're going to slide the bolts out of the grooves, and you're just going to open this up, and we're going to clamp this over the hole. For filming purposes, I'm going to turn this around to where you can see it, but you want this part to be over your actual hole. But I'm going to turn this around so you can see what I'm doing. You're going to clamp this, you're going to squeeze this back together, push up the bolt, put it in these grooves right here, just like so. And then you're going to take and tighten these bolts up really tight with a pair of channel locks. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.